there's one more movie which has come, Pushpa.
Yeah, who doesn't know about it?
Okay, so now it's activity time. Okay, and this time I think again, Emelina, you're gonna start. Okay, you know the tomboy style of yours.
Yeah.
So there's one dialogue which goes in this movie. पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझा क्या फायर है मैं. So that you need to say it in your tomboy style. You know, you does that gender discrimination, I would say. Yeah, I don't know, girl and a boy video. Okay, so which I think you prefer more boys.
Yeah. I
Boy
like being a
look.
boy myself. With the beard and all.
So can you do that for us
Yeah, sure.
in a tomboy style?
पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या फायर है मैं.
Pass है.
Pass.
Okay. Well done. Okay, Benzer, I have
Te
something
kaniu
for
pass
you.
allo daro.
Kite?
चोर झाले.
Okay, Benzer, I have something for you also. You've seen that Kacha Badam. You've heard it, Kacha Badam.
चोड पडाय गेले.
Aikila, no? So now what I want to do, I want you to do it in Benzer's style. The Kacha Badam song in Benzer's style.
म्हणजे लव सॉंग्स टाइप तश.
Anything, whatever you're comfortable. I'm not a romantic singer. You're a nice singer with melodious voice.
Song करपाचे.
Yeah, something different. तुझे style in. You can take Emelina along.
सेकंड्स देता का.
She'll give you seconds.
ओके. लव सॉन्ग टाइप नो. ओके. बादाम कच्चा बादाम आमने के काय का बुबू कच्चा बादाम कच्चा बादाम पावे सुदू कच्चा बादाम आमने के कच्चा बादाम मुड़गो इसते क्या तरी मुड़गो
Oh, unsa tune like that, the romantic love song.
रोमांटिक है
All right. Okay.